then let's start with the keywords today, please, my students. We have the first word, which is at the moment. That indicates that something is occurring now. Later, we have boss, that is the maximum authority in a place, that boss. Consumer, that is the person who consumes. Downward, that is going to be going down or decreasing. And we have manager, that is the person who plans something. And we have the shop assistant, that is the person who helps you to shop. Hello, 6th grade, how are you today? I hope that you are going very well. And today I will explain to you a beautiful topic that its name is tag questions. What are these tag questions? They are questions that are very easy. And what is the purpose of a tag question? Tag question purpose is going to be to reinforce the information that you are giving. Okay, that is the purpose of the tag questions, to reinforce this information, to say yes or no. Okay, so today I will show you. First thing, important thing in a tag question is to pay attention that every tag question that you set is going to be in the other form of the sentence that you are saying. What is this, teacher? Okay, I explain to you again. For example, if you say, she is my friend, okay, we are going to start with that sentence. She is my friend, okay? The tag question might be, isn't she? Why? We have to take the she is and we have to change it to a question in a negative form. That is the tag question. The tag question is asking, she is my friend, isn't she? Is she my friend really or not? That is the purpose of a tag question. Again, she is my friend, isn't she? The tag question or the question tag, as some call it, is going to be isn't she? We have to complete or we have to ask for reinforced information with this tag, okay? So again, another example might be, I have 2 brothers, haven't I? Because the word have is going to be working, the verb have is going to be working individually. Remember that the verb have has like their own situation or their own clarity. Later we have, for example, another manner. Now, what happened with the sentence is negative? The question tag is going to be positive, for example, with the same idea. She isn't my friend. Is she? Yes, the question tag is going to be changing the order, creating a question, and changing to positive to negative or from negative to positive. Yes? Okay, now, what happened when we don't have auxiliary or when we don't have a verb to be? For example, I play soccer. How can you ask a question with play? Very easy. Remember that every time that we have a question in present, we are going to use the auxiliary do. But in this case, if I grade do is present and present, positive and positive. No, it's impossible. I have to change it to the negative, right? So, I play soccer, don't I? Because I am saying, I play, I do it. So, don't I might be the question tag, okay? Another sentence, for example, if you say, no, for example, I don't play soccer. Do I? Yes, because the question tag is going to ask, I do it or no? If you are saying that not, the question tag goes to the positive. So again, when the sentence is positive, the question tag is going to be negative. When the sentence is negative, the question tag is going to be positive. Okay? I hope that this explanation is right. Repeat the video the times that are necessary for you to be understanding the topic, and observe the chart that I will paste in a moment after finishing the video, so you can clarify a little bit more the questions. And again, if you have any question, remember that today's Zoom session are for clarifying the questions and doubts. So I hope that this class is clear, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.